Hi everyone, this is Rodaline, your Kawais Peso or Kawais Peso. And for today, discuss natin yung MaxiCare Prima Consult. Ito yung bagong plan ni MaxiCare. Okay? So, itself naman na makikita nyo, consult. So, the main purpose of this plan is for you to have a consultation, unlimited one. Alright? How much would it be? Yun ang kaagad na tanong natin at pasok natin. It's 999 pesos. Or sarado na natin ng 999 pa rin. Okay? So, the purpose of this one is your health always within reach. Kasi ang gusto natin, ma-monitor lang yung ating health, right? Para ma-prevent natin yung other may happen. So, the Prima Consult by Maxi Health is a starter package plan for all what? Individuals in all ages. So, this means is newborns to seniors can access this plan. And again, it has unlimited access for medical consultations lang po. But there is another part of this na may essential health benefit tayo. And I will discuss it later. Now, what will you get po ba for having this plan? First is you have unlimited doctor's consultation only sa ating Prima clinics. By the way, I am health benefit consultant, licensed and registered din po kay MaxiCare. Kaya if you have any questions or you want to ask something, message na lang po ako or send lang po kayo ng comment here. All of my information details nasa description or comment section naman po. Okay? So, just to remind you ha, ang ating mga doctors sa MaxiCare are expert and these people, hindi po sila training ha. They are all doctors na po. Now, nabanggit kanina that there are essential benefits. So, ito po yung pasok sa annual na po niyan ha. Physical exam sa basic 5. So, ibig po sabihin, Miss Rodaline, etong 999, may kasama na pong APE? Yes po, meron na po tayong kasamang ganyan, okay? It's included na po, alright? The first year po ha, first po, yun na po yun. Ang annual from itself, isang beses lang po yan gagawin, okay? Now, what is the basic 5? Later on, I will discuss those basic 5. Okay, now we proceed po Now, the perfect for coverage of this one is a newborn, a busy professionals, and a senior citizen not wanting to have a consultation access. Now, if there will be a pre-existing condition, pwede po ba dito? Yes, pwede po. Alright, pasok pa rin po tayo without hassle po yan. Now, approval based pa rin po ba ito? Hindi na po, ma'am. Kasi meron tayong, sir, no paperwork or no preliminary check-up. So, automatically, you are approved na. Now, why we choose Prima Consult by Maxi Health? Kasi po, it has a convenience at its best. Kasi marami na po tayong PCC nationwide. If you are in Parañaque, we have Double Dragon. If you are in Cavite, we have Imus. And a lot of more. Na-discuss ko na rin po yung mga location natin dito sa YouTube channel or this page, FB page. You may check the link. I will put it here on the description or the comment section. Okay? So, affordable peace of mind. Sinabi dito, yes, kasi isang payment lang po siya. And the good thing about this one is you have a consultation unlimited na for a price na isa lang. Now, flexibility for every life stages because again, it all for all ages na nga and newborns to senior citizen. Okay, let me just inform you that this plan is valid for a 1 year. So, Miss Rods, if I will buy or get this plan June 11, 2025, mag-e-end siya ng June 11, 2026 po ba? Yes, opo, ganun po siya. Okay, eksakto. Invest in your health today. Full year, reliable, accessible, and affordable healthcare. Magkano pa lang magpa-consult ngayon? It will be ranging on 500 up pa. Meron pa nga 1K, one consultation lang po yun ha. Wala pang annual physical examination. Eh syempre, i-check mo ulit kung nag-progress ba yung unang pa-check up mo at unang medication. So another na naman na ganito. So meaning to say, 999 is a very, very affordable for you na masustain mo yung consultation, right? Now, we proceed to includes. What are the includes here, ma'am? Unlimited consultation with the following MaxiCare PCC Agent Clinics for doctors natin. Sino ba? General practitioner, internal medicine, family medicine, pediatrician, ENT o yung ear, nose, throat. OB-GYN, medical dermatologist, wow, may pa-skin care si MaxiCare sa 999. Ophthalmologist, wow, para sa eyes, may check-up na siya. Cardio sa heart endocrinologist, pulmonologist, gastroenterologist, rheumatologist, ayan po siya, nephrologist. What is nephrologist? Specialist doctor na po ito ha. It's a kidney concern consultation. Okay? Doctor po. Infectious disease specialist, general surgeon, urologist sa pantog natin. Ayan po, dyan po yan sa ihi, daluyan, orthopedic, bones rehabilitations medicine. So, ibig pong sabihin, ma'am, lahat po ito na consultation for doctors, specialist doctor ay pasok na for unlimited consultation for only, again, 999. Yes po. Okay? Now, eto na po yung tanong. Ano ba yung basic 5 sa annual physical examination? The basic 5 is this one. Physical examination whereas ang doctor, i-check niya yung buong katawan ninyo physically, yung panglabas. Check niya po niya yung inyong from head to toe. Ang magagaling na doctor, physical pa lang, makikita niya na may rashes ka. Naku, kailangan nating i-check yan. It could be in terms of yung mga nakikita niyo na sa YouTube na mga nagkukuha ng blood, tas may recommendation sila na ay hindi lang pala bastang rashes lang yon, yung pala ay meron ng signs from your kidney that asking for your assistance na kailangan mo na siyang patingin. Okay? So those are sinasabi nating physical exam. How to doctor do it. Now, complete blood counts, ayan, routine urinalysis, yung sa ihi, kasi doon palang basic, may malalaman na tayo if there will be a needed to correct. Routine fecalysis, same as doon pa lang makikita mo na kung meron bang internal clog or whatsoever, okay? Chest x-ray sa ating baga, makikita ng doctor yan. Now, what is this access to out-of-pocket preferential rate for the following MaxiCare PCCs? Ito yung sinasabi natin na out of your pocket, but it has a tinatag nating discounts. So, si MaxiCare, since you are a under of our member na sa Prima Consultation, meron po kayong discount. Okay? So, these are the Set A laboratories: X-ray, ECG, ultrasound, 2D echo, treadmill stress, CT scan, Set B laboratory, Set C laboratory, vaccines, psychiatric consultation, physical therapy, and all maternity-related tests have a discount po. Okay? So, if you have again questions, let me know. Maglagay po ng comment dun sa comment section. Okay? Now, just to set the boundaries or set your expectation, consultation po, as always, the annual and laboratories are again conducted lang po sa MaxiCare Prima Care Clinics. No other po na i-apply nyo po ito. Meron po tayong partner na MaxiCare Hospitals, yung mga hospital here in Metro Manila, but those are other plans po. And the good thing about the MaxiCare Prima Care Clinics, all machines na ginagamit natin are very, very good. They are very accurate and high-end class machine. Okay? So, let me just inform you regarding on excludes. Hindi po kasama sa plan na to is the outpatient consultation, hospital admission, or yung confinement. Again, this is focus po sa health monitoring, the prevention one, and emergency cases. So, wala po tayo ditong emergency coverage. However, meron po tayong other plan kay MaxiCare na merong emergency coverage. Okay? Now, let's proceed for how to activate your Prima Consult by Maxi Health. After you purchase po the plan, you need to activate the Prima Consult e-voucher o yung tinatawag nating physical voucher. I am endorsing this one kasi para po mas mabilis yung process natin. And meron po tayong QR or link dito sa description para ma-avail nyo po tong plan na to, ha? I will guide you. Let me just know. Just comment down below lang po, okay? So, it will be having a reference code. Automatic, magkakaroon po tayo ng code every member. It's a unique code po per member. The membership registration period is up to 3 months from the date you purchase. Ibig pong sabihin, ay, maganda ba tong ipang regalo kay mommy, kay tita, kay tito, and kay lolo at lolo? All of your family, friends, ayan, yes. Once you buy the plan, dapat po, within 3 months upon purchase, ma-activate na po natin siya. Okay? So, this shall be done before 3 months. I highly suggest that. Okay? So, ito po yung ating process. Go to Dash Labs, register, and then enter your reference code that will be sending to your link or yung email po. Ayan. Complete your details po and successfully registered. Importante na yung email po ninyo ay active. Importante po na yun po ang lagi nyong ginagamit dahil all the details regarding on the activations, all regarding of MaxiCare concerns from your account will be sent to that email, okay? And also complete your what we call address, home address ninyo. Once successfully registered na po, you will receive an email with your Prima Consult Maxi Health. Alam niyo po ba na meron tayong tinatawag na e-card? So, yung e-card po natin is a electronic card that will sending to your email. So, bakit po natin ini-encourage na e-card? Kasi 'di ba ang cellphone natin lagi nating kasama. Minsan kasi, yung physical card natin, yung physical na card natin from MaxiCare, hindi po siya nadadala kapag magpapaka-consult po kayo or somehow na nawala. So, by e-card, ayan, papakita nyo lang yung cellphone ninyo, yung email, yung e-card ninyo, screenshot nyo lang yan. Sa PCC MaxiCare, okay na po kaagad kayo niyan. So, ibig sabihin, malalaman po namin kagad na kayo ay member and automatically, you will be on the line for the consultation. Okay? So, how to book an appointment when you have your PCCs? Ano na, yung tatawag nating meron na po kayong card, e-card, or member na po kayo. So, you will gonna visit for the PCC online scheduler. And then, mamimili po kayo kung anong consultation regards of doctor ang gusto ninyo. Tapos, mamimili po kayo kung ano yung available date and time for your convenience po. And if you wanted to be, sabi nating booking for phone or email, meron din pa rin tayo. Okay? So, we have a very, very good na hotline. Automatically, may sasagot po sa inyo. Hindi kayo kailangan mag-antay ng napakatagal kasi ang MaxiCare, we promotes being fanatic to our clients na kailangan upfront ma-assist namin po kayo. Now, a referral to specialist is required and will only be issued after an initial consultation. Halimbawa po, gusto nyo magpa-check up sa dermatologist. Okay? Kailangan po muna tayong pumunta sa general practitioners natin. Why? For us, na si doctor po mismo sa MaxiCare ay mag-check kung kailangan nyo talagang magpa-check up sa derma. Kasi kung sa kanya pa lang po, ma-check na natin, wala na pong problem kaagad. Masusolusyonan kaagad. And general practitioners are very good po para ma-assess kung saan po kayo ma-designate na ibang doctor. And don't you worry, lahat po yan sila, i-assist kayo automatically. Okay? Doon muna po tayo sa pinaka-starting consultation. Okay? So, ayan, members may also see a specialist if they present a valid outside doctor referral. Ngayon, kung may nakita na po kayo or na-meet na po kayo na doctor and may persisting doctors na kayo and you want to go to the MaxiCare doctor na and you are a member na, yes, you can direct to the doctor naman na po. But if you have wala po kayong existing consultation before to the specialist, we go to the general para alam po natin kaagad kung ano i-correct po. Okay? Now, laboratory test can be scheduled, must be endorsed by, again, our doctor po. Kasi po, halimbawa, si patient, galing po siya sa ibang doctor and then kakasali lang niya kay MaxiCare. And ang gusto niya, makuha itong mga laboratory test na to or i-conduct kay MaxiCare. Kailangan po muna natin i-endorse siya sa PCC doctor natin o yung MaxiCare doctor natin para i-check kung may idadagdag pa na kailangan laboratories or meron pa po bang i-correct. Okay? So again, out of pocket po ang laboratories but there is a discount for all the members. Okay? Now, reminders. Present your Prima Consult by Maxi Health e-card along with your valid ID for us to validate that the person using the MaxiCare e-card and the person na gustong magpa-consult, ayan po, as the same person po. Okay, hindi po pinapahiram ang MaxiCare e-card at hindi po siya pinapass through sa ibang member of the family or friends. Okay? Every individual, kung gusto nyo po ang family, pwede pong tig-isa po lang. Okay? Ng e-card. Okay? So, no e-card, no availment po. Panigurado po, madadala nyo naman po ang phone and for that time, mapapakita nyo po sa ating MaxiCare clinics na you are a member. Member is again valid for 1 year. Date of activation. The card, again, nasabi ko na po kanina, non-transferable once activated and registered na po. Pwede lang po siyang maibigay or maipasa if hindi pa po siya activate or ireregalo nyo pa lang po. So, there will be a free cancellation or refund within 15 days if the product has not been used. Hindi pa po nagamit. Okay? Ever pa hindi siya nagamit. Pwede pong i-cancel. The benefits and accessibility to specific physician and yung ating procedure provided by the products are subject to availability. May mga concern kasi tayo na gusto magpa-CT scan, meron po kasi tayong designated location for that na MaxiCare Clinic. So, gusto mag-stress test, ayan, meron tayo sa Double Dragon. And yung iba naman po, meron din po in other location po. Okay? If you have any concerns regarding on the MaxiCare Prima Consult, let me know. Ito po pala itsura ng ating card, yung e-card po ha. So again, this is Rodeline, your Kawais Peso or Kawais Peso. Please scan the QR after this and then makakakuha po kayo ng ating page link and also yung QR po kasi dyan po kayo magpa-purchase of this plan. Okay? Again, this is Rodeline. Follow me for more of this. Thank you!